Karibu sana kwa mafunzo ya leo, nami mwalimu Festus. Tunazungumzia approach and treatment for UTI in both men and women. Kuna zile general principles, tuna urine, culture media, empiric therapy, tailored to culture media and ration, na unaangalia zile red flags. Kwa mfano kwa wanaume, kuna ile tunaita uncomplicated cystitis. Mama anapata nitrofurantoin, fosfomycin, ama anapata trimethoprim, sulfamethoxazole for 3 days. Na kuna zile first line amoxicillin na clavulanic acid ama oral cephalosporin, na una avoid fluoroquinolones. Kuna complicated UTI in women. Mama pengine akona diabetes, pregnancy, catheter, 7 to 14 days culture guided. UTI in pregnancy unapeana nitrofurantoin, amoxiclav, cefalexin and fosfomycin are safe, but avoid fluoroquinolone, trimethoprim, sulfamethoxazole. On the other hand, UTI in men, or UTIs are complicated in men. Kitu naangalia ni kama ni acute UTI ama ni chronic. Unapeana kwa ile acute, unapeana trimethoprim, sulfamethoxazole or fluoroquinolones for 7 days. Suspected prostatitis, unapeana ciprofloxacin, levofloxacin, trimethoprim, sulfamethoxazole. In severe ama febrile UTI unapeana ceftriaxone na una hospitalize, then you step down to orals, you discharge on orals. Thank you for the class today.